Hi Emilio, thanks for joining us today.
Hi Clara, thanks for having me.
Renewables have been developing over the past decade and will continue growing. What are some of the key topics we deal with today?
A lot of the key topics are a continuation of what we've seen before. I think reliability, of course, is one of the biggest topics. For wind, solar farms, they have to last 10, 20 years in the field. And of course, our power modules cannot be failing in that time. So reliability is big. We're seeing that the temperature of the chips and of the power modules has been increasing. And then we're seeing the power density, of course, has been increasing. So we want to have the exact same package or the exact same size, but with more power. Of course, everyone wants that.
What kind of products does Semikron Danfoss have to help with these challenges?
So you'll see that a lot of the packages that we have look about the same as what we've done before, but we've added plus to a lot of them for a few different reasons. So the Semitrans 10 Plus, for example, has an extra terminal, higher current, increased power density on that one. The Semitrans 3 Plus, basically handling the higher temperature with the package. Same with the Semix 3P Plus. So again, a lot of pluses. Basically handling that higher temperature that we can handle. Of course, with that, we have more chips, smaller chips with more power. So of course, our packages have to be able to handle that at the terminal level. So we've seen basically all of those trends and translated them into these packages here.
Interesting. So when you're talking about all those new technologies, I'm interested in exactly what new technologies we have come up with.
When it comes to new technologies, I would say the Semi-Seal is one of the biggest ones which you can find in the Semix 3P Plus. Originally, that was designed for a way to handle hydrogen sulfide, which can cause a lot of damage to the power module itself. We've seen a side effect that it has better humidity reliability, so it can handle even better humidity in that. Of course, the 2000 volt silicon carbide has been a big topic for us, focused on 1500 volts, such as energy storage and solar. And so we've added that not only to the Semitrans 20, what we've talked about in the past, but now with the Semitrans 3 and the Semitop for full power range. And a lot of it comes down to optimization. So we've also come with the Semix 3P Plus, and we have optimization for winds. So at different parts of the application, rotor side or inverter side, they need different diode sizings, so a lot of it is optimized. And of course, you've already talked with Alex about this, but the Cal 7, a brand new series of diodes for our packages.
Great. Thanks for the outlook on our future in renewables.
Thanks for having me.